Businesses are cutting hours, sometimes just closing their doors. So a lot of people are out of work, not able to pay their bills. We heard in that press conference that there is help coming from that response fund. But Channel 9's Anthony Costura also spoke with the head of Charlotte's Crisis Assistance Ministry, and she wants people to know that as far as help from them, they said, don't be afraid to ask.
You can't work, you can't pay your bills.
Patricia Abdelwahab is used to lending a helping hand, but today she's the one who needs a hand up from the Second Harvest Food Bank and Crisis Assistance Ministry in Charlotte.
We're getting rental assistance due to the coronavirus.
Water and utility companies won't disconnect service for people who can't pay, but Abdelwahab and her roommate can't afford the $1,400 rent they split every month, with businesses now scaling back to follow overcrowding guidelines.
Oh, excuse me, I had to bring all kinds of paperwork. We got a letter.
That letter from the property management company says if they don't pay in full by tomorrow, the apartment complex will start the eviction notice.
We've always been on time. You just don't know what's going to happen right now.
The sheriff's office says they will continue to evict people if it's court ordered, but the courts here are running on a limited schedule. So that means Abdelwahab's case could be delayed if she can't pay. Still, the caseworkers at Crisis Assistance are trying to process as many requests as possible, like Abdelwahab's. While the lines outside the Crisis Ministry Center are shorter because of social distancing rules and added financial relief from utility companies, they are anticipating an even greater need in the near future.
We know that utilities are still being used and people's incomes are being challenged. And so the need in 3 or 4 months from now will be incredible.
In Uptown, Anthony Costura, Eyewitness News.
As Anthony said, the Mecklenburg County Sheriff's Office said today it will continue serving evictions until the court says otherwise. In the last 2 hours, Sheriff McFadden called on the courts, though, to suspend ordering evictions so deputies don't have to kick people out of their homes during a pandemic.